All right, you guys. So look, it's been a little bit. We're back at our next one. You know, having a garage to set everything off in is beautiful. We don't get this all the time. It makes it nice. Getting everything here. We've got just about everything we need for this first bathroom. Sitting here ready to go. Our equipment, all of it. And we're going to take you in here and show you this first bathroom. Then we got a Jack and Jill master bathroom also we're going to be doing in this house. So two bathrooms. We're going to start with the smaller one. That way they're kiddos and stuff. You know, we can get in, get out of that one. We're going to save the bigger one. Normally, I think we do the bigger one first. But they wanted the smaller one first, so no big deal. So we're just going to flip that around. But let's get started. Take you in here and show you what's going on. All right, so here's our master. This is the Jack and Jill one, okay? As you walk in, this entrance of the master, we're going to go and widen this. 36 inches, it's 24 right now. This is getting ready to come out. We're going to have another custom vanity put in here with inset doors, undermount sinks, the whole nine. This tower is going to go away. We're going to get them some more room in here. Same thing with the mirror and light, all that's going to be new. This is a 5x5 closet. As soon as you walk in, bam, there it is. Over here is where they had the old garden tub. Right to my right here is a kick wall that's going to widen because of the door, which this is their original stand-up shower. Toilet's offset over here. And then everything, here's the middle of the bathroom with the tub, everything's copycatted. So there's another 5x5 closet. Matches this one. There's that vanity. Matches this one. And here's the other way out, back to their master. So in one side, out the other, and so on. So now let me tell you what we're going to do. All this is going to come out. We're going to go right across here. We're going to get rid of that, get rid of the tower over here, the pantry at the end. When we move this wall to accommodate for a 36-inch door, the opening here that's left is going to be where we put in a real pretty cabinet to match right here so they don't lose the storage space. We're going to keep this toilet area in the same spot, new toilet, but this closet right here, this is going to be our new master shower. Okay, we're going to get rid of this door, sew this wall up. This wall's going to open up because they have a huge, beautiful window. Their backyard, it's nothing but woods, complete privacy, no neighbors, no nothing. And at the end of this, our shower doors are going to go right here where you can get in and out of this 5x5 custom walk-in shower. Come right out to this area. All this is going to be gone. Real pretty bench we're going to build right over here so that you can come out, kind of get dried off. You've got scenery. Nobody's watching or bothering you. And we're going to throw a wall up here with a door. This is all going to become a huge closet area over here for them. That way they have the custom walk-in shower here. This is going to be a his and hers vanity so that both the husband and wife can get use of all this and still have all their closet area and stuff over this way. So we got a lot going on in here, but like I said, we're going to start with the smaller one first. And so here's our small one, right over here where Tom's at, where's the vanity and everything. And this is going to be a custom-made vanity. Inset doors, high-end custom. This is going to be really super cool. We're going to put an LED mirror over here in this little cubby hole here, nice 5-footer. Off this kick wall here, separates that from the toilet. And look at this gem right here. So we got this tub surround tore out, and as it was coming, I mean, this wall, you can see it just bulging out. All this, look at that, all that blown in insulation. So they must have kind of put all that up, I guess, and then blew it from the other side. And we're gonna have to get all this down. It's just, it won't even budge, it won't even move. There's so much back there, it's like a huge brick. But it was all that dead space in the tub right here, so just filled it right in and that's how it was. So we got a lot to deal with here to get all this back, get to our stud work and everything, and get going. All right, so now we're getting somewhere. We got all this tore out. We got lasers set up to help dictate a lot of things for us. And what I want to show you here real quick, we've got our digital level down here. I couldn't tell you the last time we pulled out a tub surround and that subfloor is just dead on. So that's awesome. We're not going to have to use any Level Pro or anything like that. This subfloor is as good as you can get. But let me show you something real quick we are going to do with this tub. I want to show you the bottom of the tub and what we're getting ready to do with it. All right, so look, so here's our tub. It's got a really pretty curved face to it. It's an acrylic tub. It's a really nice tub. So as you can see on the bottom here, okay, it's all the octagons, and then you got all these peg feet. So the peg feet is what's going to be sitting on the subfloor. The subfloor can have movement. Okay, it can flex a tad here and there. So these feet can sit flat when somebody gets in the tub. For instance, myself, 230 pounds, if I get in, that will flex down to that subfloor. When you get out, it'll flex again. So what we like to do is mix up a batch of custom float mortar bed. And we will put several little blobs on the subfloor right underneath here. So when this goes to set down in its final resting point, it's going to catch all these peg feet. We're going to be setting perfectly level. Then when we secure this tub, the fins all the way to the studs, anybody, no matter their weight, child, grown person, gets in and out, there's not going to be any movement down here on the feet. And because this is acrylic, we don't want a heavier person stepping in here and getting the stress where you can hear it cracking and snapping, and it's going to make a really solid surface underneath here for these feet. It doesn't take a whole lot. You just want a little bit of that to catch the feet, to keep it in place. That way everything stays solid underneath. Promise you. So look, this is our tub, and we just got this out just to show you, because this is somewhere in your tub. Just about every tub you buy, it's got all the instructions in it per tub. Every tub is different. Most tubs are not the same. But in our case, in our tub, look, maximum weight support of 300 pounds without mortar. Mortar is required during installation for user weights exceeding 300 pounds. Well, we don't know who's getting in the tub. We don't know who's not. I'm 230. You know, we don't want to take any chances. We don't know if they have company coming over. We don't know any of that. So if you're ever unsure, put the mortar down. You don't have to, but it tells you to if anybody's going to get in this tub over 300 pounds. Well, we never know. Two people might get in here together, and then all of a sudden, two people at 150, it's too much. So to keep all that from happening, it's good practice. We put it underneath just about every tub we do.